Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the basics out of the way fast. Update Chrome OS now, because updates often include speed fixes. Once done, free at least 10% of storage by deleting large downloads and unused apps so swap space isn't overloaded. Then open the built-in Task Manager and force close memory-hungry tabs or apps. This immediately reduces lag. Make sure to restart after clearing. A short reboot clears cached processes and gives you a clean state to continue. Now dig into the middle work. Disable or remove extensions you don't need, because each extension consumes CPU and memory in the background. Next, clear cache and site data for heavy websites. This removes stale assets that slow page loads. Once that's done, limit open tabs, enable automatic tab discarding, and test performance in a guest or fresh profile to isolate account issues. If you use Linux apps, reduce container resources. Make sure to relaunch to apply settings. Finish by verifying hardware, and if needed, resetting the software. Run the Chromebook diagnostics to check memory, storage health, and battery. Hardware faults can mimic lag. If diagnostics look fine but slowness persists, backup data and perform a power wash to restore factory settings. This often clears stubborn software corruption. Make sure to reinstall only essential apps and check your model's RAM and storage limits before demanding heavy workloads. If you still see lag, try the following.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.